Have you all made bread? Have you all ate bread? Yes, right. When you eat bread, when you tear the bread apart, you can see that there is these nice little holes inside the bread, very fluffy. If you eat in a good place, it's very fluffy. So how do they make this bread? So you take goduma, wheat flour, put some water. That I don't know how to make bread either, but I just know the science behind it. Okay, right. So when you put all of this stuff, specifically wheat flour, and then you do this kneading it, putting your hand inside and pushing it up and back and forth and everything, right? And then you add yeast. Right. So yeast undergoes a specific type of fermentation known as ethyl alcohol fermentation. So what happens? Let's say you had your bread like this. Okay, this is the bread. You are adding that yeast packet. And then what do you do after that? You cover it. Okay. After that, what do? You cover it. You're covering it. So now what does yeast undergo? Ethyl alcohol fermentation. So what happens? Glucose. Wheat flour will have some parts of glucose. It's from what plants know. So plants have glucose. Okay. Then this glucose will be converted to pyruvate. Pyruvate will be converted to acetaldehyde. What does it release? Carbon dioxide. As in which state of matter? Gas. Keep it in mind. After that, what happens? This acetaldehyde is then reduced to ethyl alcohol. This carbon dioxide that is released is what causes this marble to go up like that. Okay, so now you should be able to remember this easily. Yeast undergoes ethyl alcohol fermentation, and you now know which one removes carbon dioxide because it's a practical application. Okay, so now why do you need it? That was a double entendre if you have heard of it. Why do you need it and why do you need it? This is called needing. Okay, right. So why do you need it? So when you need it, it creates more space within the flour. If you think of it that way, so it creates more space within the flour. When there is more space within the flour, a lot of this carbon dioxide can come and take over that space. So then, like blowing up a balloon, this also makes you blow up. How do you get yeast? Is that clear? So then technically, all of y'all and us, we are alcoholics. During this process, what is generated? Ethyl alcohol. We don't drink alcohol, but in this case, we are taking alcohol. Don't worry about it, because when you heat up this flour, this alcohol evaporates. A very, very minute content will be present, but the remaining or most of it will evaporate. So this same process is used to create wine. Around 6,000 years ago, some pharaoh found, okay, grape juice, there's a juice, there was no proper communication, so they just make sounds. So eventually one fellow squeezed these grapes and put it in a pot. So yeast is a type of fungi, it's found everywhere. So let's say due to some chance that fungi came and landed on that grape juice. And then this fellow kept it, storage, I'll come tomorrow and drink it day after. And then when he comes day after and drinks it, he's like, why? Because that yeast started converting the glucose from the grape juice into ethyl alcohol. So that is how they start making wine also. So any type of fermented alcoholic drinks is by this process. I mean, the fundamental principle is this process. Okay, but when you're making bread, you want this, you don't want this. Which is why you cover it with the cloth to let it rise.